packaging.
Kinder Juicy.
Good day, people. Welcome to Bitokbitok University with
Ella.
Ella. This time, kaninga video, sinakasayo man ko, mag-video lang ko. It's another versus
Hotdog.
Tender Juicy versus Virginia hot dogs.
My favorite is this one.
Wait.
I like this. No, it's okay.
In packaging, Ella, in the packaging, which is a good design.
You look more.
I like this one.
That one?
Yeah.
You look more good.
Wait lang ah. Where?
Daddy.
Where? What? This one? Ah.
I'm just kidding.
So on the design, you like this?
I like this one.
You like it because you like it.
We need to cook it first.
Okay. So try na to luto.
There's some eyes in the back.
Na to luto kung lamiba. Okay?
A few moments later.
Kuya
Di ko magsaba, ay Raver. Actually, sa tulong ako kaanak, si Rusty lang dili ka na hotdog. So,
Daddy, the camera is...
about the sa itsura, which is nice, Ella? This one or this one?
This one, no. This one, it's more darker, so I don't like dark thing. This one is light, so I like. But this one is like more scratches.
I like this one.
You like this one?
I need to try it.
This
Maybe
one.
it's good.
What do you think is the Virginia and the Tender Juicy?
Maybe it's good.
Virginia Tender Juicy.
How about you?
I think it's Kinder Juicy and...
Virginia. Ella thinks this is Tender Juicy and this is Virginia.
I am the other
Labor.
way around.
This is Tender
Tender
Juicy.
Juicy, that is Virginia.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. So let's tell the taste.
I just see the hot dog is straight, but
Like
it's
it's
not
one-
like that.
Alright, let's see.
So hot!
Say, try it, Ella. Take the taste. Bite. Mmm.
Mmm.
1 out of 10, how would it taste like? 1 to 10.
This one. You're not in the camera. Mmm. Yummy. Let me try this. Wait.
Okay, that is not... Okay, I'll choose already.
Wait lang. Wait.
I really like it.
Yeah, nag-reprint siya sa taste. Good.
I'm still eating it.
This one. There. Alright.
Maybe my favorite is this
First,
one.
how about the one? The first one you guys taste. What can you taste? What is it? Juicy, yummy? Juicy, yummy? Or...
This yummy or this one?
You think this is yummy? Why? Why this?
This one is
Because it's delicious.
I think I will not say it, but the other one is a little bit salty compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is salty? A little bit salty.
The one, this one.
You're sure?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
You try
Again. Try again. Which is
This
a
is the
little.
one, dude.
This one is one. The taste and that is this one, huh? Then the other one. That's one, the other, that is one. And you try to take, that's the first one.
Ah!
Then the other one, you taste it. This one's the other one.
Yeah, really, this is the salty one. Yeah. I'm tasting the saltiness from here.
This is the one that you're eating, not the one.
Or the one, the last one that I was eating?
The last one you're eating is this one.
Yeah, so that's
This one is the last one.
No, that's
Really?
where I like the last.
So again,
This
for
one.
you, Ella, which is better? This one. How about you, Raber?
Same.
This one? Again, to be clear, wala sila kabalo kung asa ani, ako rin nakabalo. So this one, Raber said this one,
Yeah.
Ella said this one.
Yeah.
No, but she said she liked this one more better.
No, she on the taste, she pointed
the
this one.
taste.
The taste, this one is better, Ella, right?
Yeah.
This you also? So what brand is this, do you think?
Virginia.
This one is Virginia,
Yeah.
and this one is.
Tender juicy.
Yeah.
Because I have never seen tender juicy dark.
I really like it.
Or maybe it's just dark.
All right, here's the revelation.
What?
This one
You taste it.
is the tender juicy.
What? It is a Virginia?
This one is the Virginia hot dog.
Okay,
Oh,
I was joking. I saw a dark tender juicy.
oh, I was correct.
Yeah, no, you chose the Virginia, and for you it's Virginia's yum.
No, I was correct. I was said this is Kinder Juicy,
No.
and this is
Yeah, that's what he said.
No.
Flashback.
No.
Flashback.
You said this is what you think. After you taste it, you think this is. Yeah, first you guess this is the tender juicy. This is the Virginia.
yeah.
But when you taste it, you said this is now the tender juicy, and this is the Virginia. And you chose this one as
In the
yummy.
first one, I was correct.
Yeah.
I know really well.
Yeah.
I really like this one.
Wala may kibayaran ani.
Which is better?
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Virginia ilang gipili.
Good.
So it's Virginia. Virginia wins. Virginia wins.
No!
Cheers.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.